Four capacitors are connected in circuit as shown in figure. The charge on the capacitor of 1 microcoulomb we have to calculate. What is the charge on the 1 microcoulomb? They are given the diagram like this. This diagram how we can remain here. These two are connected in parallel combination because these two ends are connected to one side and these two ends are connected to one side. So these two connected in parallel combination. This diagram you can draw like this for your understanding easily, isn't it? One capacitor 3 microfarad, 3 microfarad. One more capacitor, it is 1 microfarad. This is 1 microfarad. Okay, 1 microfarad. And these two are connected to 12 microfarad. 12 microfarad. Okay, then after it is connected to the one more 2 microfarad. 2 microfarad. Okay, this is the equation. This is 0 volts and one side it is, another side it is. Okay, one more side it is the 100 volts. It is 100 volts. First two, I want to calculate what is the charge on the all capacitor. Q is equal to what you can write formula? Q is equal to CV. Q is equal to CV. Now, what is the C is nothing but a effective capacitance. C is nothing but a effective capacitance. What about effective capacitance? Effective capacitance is equal to, see here, these two are connected in parallel combination. What is parallel combination formula? First I am writing about these two. Parallel combination means C1 plus C2. That is 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 microfarad. That is 4 microfarad. Now the new diagram will be appears like this. This is 4 microfarad and one more it is the 12 microfarad. 12 microfarad. Then after it is connected to the 2 microfarad. 2 microfarad. The new diagram. See here, these two are connected in series combination. The resultant with this one it is the parallel combination. First these two are series combination. Series combination means formula 1 by Cs is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. Now this one only you can write Cs is equal to C1 C2 divided by C1 plus C2. Now Cs is equal to C1 means 4 and C2 is the 12 divided by 4 plus 12. Now if you calculate this one, how much you can get? 12 into 4, 48. 48 divided by, and this is 16. It is 16. 16 how many is up? It is 16 3s up. 16 3s are 48. If you want doubt means you can do it, isn't it? So it is the 48 correct. Okay, 3 microfarad. Cs is equal to 3 microfarad. Now this 3 again the new diagram will becomes like this here. This is 2 microfarad, this is 3 microfarad, the resultant is 3 microfarad and this one it is the 2 microfarad, isn't it? Now what about these two are in parallel combination? Parallel combination formula 3 plus 2, that is 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 microfarad. We got it is 5 microfarad. Substitute this one. Q is equal to 5. C effective is nothing but a 5 into voltage. Voltage is one side they given it is 100, one side it is 100 and another side it is the 0. So 100 minus 0, 100 minus 0 that equal to 500 coulombs, 500 coulombs, isn't it? Then here 500 microfarad, so we can get it is 5 microfarad, so 5 into 5 microfarad you can get the resultant. Now in this situation they are asking what is the charge on the what is the potential or charge? What we have to calculate here? The charge on the capacitor. Charge on the capacitor of this one we have to calculate. Okay, for this one how we can write here voltage? How much? It is nothing but a, see here, this is these two we can get, the diagram will be this diagram only we can draw like this. Okay, we draw like this. This is 4 microfarad and this is 12 microfarad. One it is 4 microfarad and this is 12 microfarad. What is the potential difference from here to here? This is 100 and this is 0. From here to here potential difference is 100. At that moment it is 1:3 ratio. See here 4:12 means 1 and 3. So 1:3 ratio means you can write this is, it can be divided into the 1:100 can be divided into the 1:3 ratio, means this is 75 and this is nothing but a 25. Is nothing but a 25, means voltage across the 4 it is the 75, voltage across the 12 microfarad is the 25. It is nothing but a reverse order it will be come. So we are writing it is 1 microfarad, voltage Q is equal to C into V. Q is equal to C into V. Now C is equal to, where we have to calculate 1 microfarad. So C is equal to 1. Voltage across that one, how much? Voltage across this one, 75. So 75, that you can get it is 75 microcoulomb answer. 75 microcoulomb.